Hey everyone, welcome back. Trying not to list an item on Vinted, but the upload fails, photos won't add, or listing won't save. Here's the fix. First, go to your settings on your phone and then scroll to the list of apps to find Vinted or just directly search for it. Once you search for it, tap on it and then make sure that Vinted permissions are allowed for photos as well, and make sure that the access is set to all photos. If it's set to none or selected photos, your listings will fail to attach images and uploads will either fail silently or leave the listing incomplete. After fixing photos access, tap camera and confirm that Vinted has camera access too if you want to take photos directly. Force close Vintage from your recent apps and then reopen it after a few hours. Also, if go ahead to your settings app and then scroll to Vinted and confirm cellular data is on. Uploads require a stable live connection and fail on weak signals even when browsing seems fine. If listings still won't upload after fixing permissions, go to the app store and search for Vinted and upload it to the latest version, since upload bugs are actively patched in new releases. And that's it. All you've got to do is go to settings, go to Vinted, photos, set all photos, confirm camera on, cellular data on, listing updates, upload successfully, and that's it. Subscribe.